Hey y'all, I'm Octavia, and if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I decided to make a video series documenting my training for my marathons. This series is going to be for my ninth marathon. It's going to be the San Francisco Marathon, and I'm in week 3. Today was my long run. I ran 5 miles. Earlier this week I ran Thursday and I ran Tuesday. I did both those runs on the treadmill because I got home late, it was dark, and I don't know if it was icy out or if it had snowed or rained or something. But anyway, Tuesday, Thursday, I ran 2.5 miles each, and then today again was 5 miles. So I did a total of 10 miles for this week. I feel good. My foot feels good. I don't know if you've been following any posts that I made about my great toe. I actually went to an orthopedic doctor, because my second toe was actually getting sore. I would notice after my runs. And so I went to ortho because as I start to increase my running miles, I don't want this to become a big issue. So I got an x-ray. The doctor looked at the x-ray, said, you know what, I think you might have something called Freiberg's infarction or Freiberg's disease. And that's really when your toe, your second toe, the shape of the bone is kind of like a square instead of kind of like a U shape. So he ordered an MRI. I got the MRI. Results came back. Long story short, I don't have Freiberg's. What I do have is arthritis in my big toe. So what I've been doing is foot exercises, and specifically one for my great toe. And I've been doing that to increase my flexibility and my mobility and my strength there, so that that joint doesn't become more stiff, right? That's like one of the downsides of arthritis. You can get really stiff and rigid and things don't move. So I'm moving it, keeping it flexible, keeping it mobile, keeping it strong, so that hopefully it doesn't get worse. Doctor approved. He liked the exercises that I was doing. If you want to see those exercises, I can give you those in a separate video in case you're interested. But all is well. So my running training is done for this week. Next week will be week 4, and I will make another video after week 4. So if you're interested in following my run training for these marathons, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time.